Hi everyone, this is Joycelyn from Shopline. Okay, so in this video, we'll be talking about how you can actually start your lucky draw event during your live stream, and also how does actually your customers actually participate in this lucky draw event. Okay, so first of all, here, as you can see on my page here, this is the admin panel backend whereby you will see during your live stream, right? So this is currently a live stream, okay, Facebook live stream, and then it's currently live as well, okay? So sometimes when you're ready to actually conduct your lucky draw event, okay, how do you actually start it is you can go to this event button over here, okay? And then after that, you will see this lucky draw event that you have preset, okay? So in order to start this lucky draw event, you can just click on this go icon over here to start the event, okay? But before that, you can actually click on this lucky draw event over here, and then you can view all the event info, the summarized version of the event info over here, and also the event messages as well. All right, so once you're ready to start this lucky draw event, you can just click on this go icon over here. Okay, so let's just start the event now. Okay, and then you can see the status is actually currently ongoing. All right, and then after that, you will see another message will actually prompt to the comment section, which is the lucky draw event start message. Okay, so once the event has started already, your customers can actually start to leave the keywords in the comment section. Okay, and then if you have already preset the time, event time, for example, like I actually preset to 3 minutes, so it will actually sort of like run on its own, and then it will end on its own as well. Okay, so let me just go and show you as a customer's perspective. Okay, so here your customer can actually view all the comments, okay, as well. And then the customer can actually leave the comment of the keyword, okay, for example, like lucky me. Okay, then after that, let's just go back here. And then if sometimes you want to end the event earlier, you don't want to wait for the end time, right? Then you can just manually end the draw, okay? Lucky draw, or you can sometimes, if you didn't set the time period for this event, right? Then you can actually click on this icon over here to manually draw this event, okay? So just click on this box, this gift icon over here, and then you'll see you're able to actually have two options, whether you want to open another new page to show the lottery process, or you want to announce the winners in this live room itself. Okay, so normally we would use the second option to announce in the broadcast room. So just click on confirm. Okay, and after that you will be able to view the number of participants here. Okay, so next, the system will actually prompt the event end message and also the who's the winner over here as well. Okay, so the customer themselves, they will be able to, they will actually receive a message as well. Okay, as you can see in the messenger here. So the customer will, the winner will actually receive a message from the system. Okay, so here is the congratulations message, and then they can actually proceed to check out, to purchase products, and then check out with the free gift that you have set. Okay. Okay. So for example, this customer has already add to cart for this one product earlier, okay, during the live stream. And then here, the free gift will actually appear in the order card as well. All right. Then they can actually proceed to go and check out. Okay. So yeah, this is how you can actually start a live event for lucky draw, and also the customer's perspective on how to participate in this lucky draw event as well. Okay, so if you go back to your admin panel, you'll be able to view all the summary of this event also. Okay, so if, for example, today you plan to have another lucky draw session, you can actually just click on these three buttons over here, more actions, and then you can copy an activity. All right, and then you can create another lucky draw again, but then you can actually change maybe the keywords for the customers to use to comment, okay, for the second lucky draw session. Okay, so yeah, guys, this is all for our lucky draw event on how you can actually manage it during your live stream. Hope you guys enjoyed and actually learned something out of this video. Bye.